ora!
Malolele, it's Seal
And Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes.
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Now we have 3 clues right here beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you please help us out with the clues? Thank you.
Alright, let's start at the top. Clue tuatahi, our first clue. Do you know what this is? Aye, it's someone having a bit of a wriggle, wriggling their body. Korikori.
Clue tuarua, right here. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's somebody jumping. Peke.
Alright, our third clue, clue tuatoru, is right here beside us. Do you know what's happening in this picture? Aye, ka pai, it's somebody clapping. Paki paki. We've got all 3 clues. We have korikori, wriggle. We have peke, jump. And we have paki paki, clap.
Ooh, I know what song we're going to sing. We're going to sing Korikori.
That's right, it's our wee action song where we get to move our bodies in different ways. So, remember these 3 actions we do with our body because we're going to do them in the song and we'll come back at the end and test you.
So let's count to toru and we'll go and have a sing-along together. Tahi, rua, toru.
Paki paki, paki paki, paki paki tamariki ma. Paki paki, paki paki, paki paki tamariki ma. Paki paki ki mua, paki paki ki muri, paki paki ki maui, paki paki ki matau. Paki paki, paki paki, paki paki, paki paki kia tau. Takahia, takahia, takahia tamariki ma. Takahia, takahia, takahia tamariki ma. Takahia ki mua, takahia ki muri, takahia ki maui, takahia ki matau. Takahia, 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 takahia kia tau. E peke, e peke, e peke tamariki ma. E peke, e peke, e peke tamariki ma. E peke ki mua, e peke ki muri, e peke ki maui, e peke ki matau. E peke, e peke, e peke, e peke kia tau. Korikori, korikori, korikori tamariki ma. Korikori, korikori, korikori tamariki ma. Korikori ki mua, korikori ki muri, korikori ki maui, korikori ki matau. Korikori, 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 korikori kia tau. Yay! Woohoo! That was a lot of moving your body in that song, wasn't it?
Which one was your favourite movement?
Oh, that's a good one. I like that one too. Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara, it's time to remember the 3 actions that we learned at the beginning. Here's the first one. Starts with the sound ke, ko, korikori, wriggle.
Our next action starts with the sound p, pe, peke, jump.
And our last action starts with the sound p, pa, paki, paki. Thank you, thank you. Hey, we hope you enjoyed moving your body today with our song Korikori. We've done quite a lot of moving today, so I feel like we need to just calm down our heartbeats. We're going to do haki roto and then we'll sing goodbye together. Haki roto, haki waho, haki roto, haki ki roto a ke waho.
Goodbye, everybody. It's time to go. Goodbye, everybody. We'll miss you so. Ka kite ano, we'll see you soon. Goodbye, hey koneira. Goodbye, hey koneira.
Kia ora. Make sure to like and subscribe down below so that you can watch my mum and auntie's videos. Loopy Tunes.